Hi. Everything, or the nothingness announced by Chancellor Rishi Sunak in his spring statement, was predictable. See yesterday's vidcast, for example. The supposedly generous tax cuts for those on lower incomes, amounting to £6 billion, would, to put things into perspective, buy a couple of top-flight football clubs with maybe enough left over to purchase 4 or 5 oligarch mansions. The Chancellor's bluster was displayed from the beginning, with an immoderate amount of time given to the Ukraine situation. Once it got down to the matter in question, the Tory MPs were baying their heads off. It was the massed ranks of assorted gentlemen's clubs on cocaine and steroids. The reply from the shadow chancellor, Rachel Reeves, was bland and equally predictable, accompanied by Labour's cacophony as she supported any increase in defence spending. After stating the obvious, she and the others sauntered off to the subsidised bars, canteens and the TV studios to give their interviews. Those who have been seated in the mother of parliaments, gurning across the benches, don't have or have any desire to understand about life in the real economy in which we exist. Sunak himself is married to a billionaire. They are failed number crunchers, statistic fetishists, whose understanding of matters fiscal extend mainly to their own bank accounts, shares, property portfolios and money from sinecures and their earnings from numerous second and third jobs and parliamentary expenses. Then there's the shady stuff. In a brief summary, this statement or budget does no favours to the submerged third economically, socially. With inflation soon to nudge 10% plus, the statement is yet another rearranging of deck chairs on a sinking ship. No surprise if within a year there's an emergency budget. By then, the passive response to a decade of austerity will probably end. A rapid deterioration at all levels will cause a response that shall deliver true fear and panic to the government and opposition. And all I can say is, bring it on. Bye.